Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to take a screenshot on your computer. There are two methods. First is Snipping Tool and second is Print Screen. Firstly, I will teach you how to use Snipping Tool. You have to click on Start menu, then go to Windows, Accessories. You can find Snipping Tool here, or you can directly type Snipping Tool and it shows the software. Just click on it. The software is open. Click on New, select the copy area. Now you have to save that file. Click on File, then Save As. It shows the Save As window. Or you can click on Save button in the menu. It also shows the Save window. You have to choose the destination for saving the file, write the file name and choose the file type. Then click on Save. After that, you can close it. Now you can see that your file is saved on the desktop because we use the desktop area. The second method is print screen. For using the print screen, you have to press print screen on the keyboard. Now your screen is copied in the computer. Now you have to use any software to paste it. I will use Microsoft Paint. Firstly, you have to go in, click on Start menu, go to Windows, Accessories and Paint. Or you can directly type Paint here. Click on the software. Paint is open. You can paste the copy file here by pressing the Ctrl V, or there is an option like a paste. You can use any option, which one you want. After that, for saving that file, you have to go in the file menu, then save as, choose the file type, choose the destination area, write the file name, check the file type, then click on Save. The file is saved. You can also use the button Ctrl S if you want to save that file by using the shortcut key, or you can press on Save icon on the top left corner. Now we will close this file and our both files are shown on the desktop. We will open and check it. This is our first file and this one is our second file. Thanks for listening me. If you have any question, please comment. I will reply you soon. Thank you.